everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today we're installing fog lights on this vehicle. So this is the kit we got right here. I went ahead and ordered it online. I got the square fog lights because it'll go with the look of this vehicle. Came with the wire harness with the relay, switches, all the screws you need, and let's get started. All right, so I got the wiring harness laid out just to show you guys. On the ends here, these are actually going to go to the fog lights. You can see the two right there. There's two right there. And then you got the red wire, which is the positive. That's actually going to go to the battery or a positive connection. It's also fused right there in case anything blows. It won't actually blow the fog lights out. And then you got your ground right here, which is the black wire, the relay, and then you got the switch. So the switch is going to be ran inside the vehicle through the firewall, probably mounted low, which we'll get to that a little later. So first thing you want to do is find a spot that you want to mount them, where you want to mount the fog lights. If you don't already have a spot for them, these are universal, so you can install them on any vehicle. This one I'm probably just going to mount right under here. There's actually a hole there already, so I can just run the screw there, put one fog light there, same thing on the other side. So before installing it, you definitely want to go ahead and test it just to make sure everything works, because sometimes you do get a bad kit. So on this kit, there's actually two grounds right here, and then there's two positives. So I'm just go ahead and hook one up to the ground, the two up to the positive terminal on the battery, and test it out. You can see it lights up over here on the switch, and they work. Good to go. So I got both brackets installed. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting right now, but you can see there's one right here. That's where the fog light's gonna go on. And then I got another one on the other side right here. And then I'll go ahead and tighten those down after I adjust everything and run the wires. The fog lights mounted, just give you guys a quick peek of what it's gonna look like. That's one of them right there. Other one's gonna go on the other side to match. The best place to hook up the positive terminals, and it's basically to the battery right here. This was the best spot for them. I did have to add a pigtail, which is the end piece of this wire, to one of them because it didn't have it. Went ahead and tightly secured that, and I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the rest. I used other ground wire for an existing ground that was already there. This is the relay. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it over here. I just have to get the drill out and mount that right there. I ran the wire through the firewall. On this vehicle, there's actually one opening for the firewall, and it's on the passenger side over there. So I went ahead and zip tied the wires going around here, which I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up, the whole thing with electrical tape, just so it looks better. This was the existing opening for the firewall, and I ran it right through there. So after I came out through the firewall, I actually hooked up another ground right on this box right here, which is metal, and that gave me a good ground. This is the switch right here, which I'm gonna go ahead and mount in the best place possible, possibly right there, but you guys can put it wherever you want. Fog lights are done, and that's pretty much gonna be it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.